So another Bluetooth connection hack for the Volvo FH series. If you can't get your Bluetooth connected to your phone, or if you can't get your Bluetooth connection working and you've tried other things, here's a quick one. If you find the isolating button, flip it up, then switch it off. I just count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Switch it back on. That should reboot the system. I have got another video that goes in detail on how to do it from inside the cab, but if that doesn't work, because for some reason there is connection issues all the time in different vehicles, then just come out, 1, 2, 3, back on, cover on, reboots the system, try again. Hope it works. Catch you later.